You can access auditing reports several different ways throughout the system. One is to go through Compliance, Audits, and then click on Reports under the other options. This will take you into our Report Center that can also be accessed by going to Reports and Report Center. Make sure that on the left-hand side, the type says Auditing, and on the right-hand side, you'll then be able to see the 3 different auditing reports that we have in our system. The first one is called the All Answers report. When in the Report Center, you'll be able to see the different fields or columns going across the top of your report, which are under the Select Fields to Include section. You'll also be able to utilize sorting options and filter options. And at the very bottom of the page, also change the format or the way that you actually see the report. You can choose to see it in the screen, as a PDF, export it into Excel, or view just a simple text version. You also have an option at the bottom before you click Submit to save these filters as a template. So if this is a report that you're frequently running, click on Save Filters as a Template to actually name the template. This template will then be available the next time that you come in to run this report. Keep in mind that this template is going to be specific to your username alone. This won't be a company-wide template. If you'd like to just simply run the report, click on Submit to save and open up that report in a new window. As you can see, the All Answers list are going to show you your patient, the episode, date of service, and then it's going to show you the different questions that were asked, how they were answered, the section and everything that it applies to, any notes that you may have added in or comments about that question, a solution, and also a severity. The solution and the severity, along with any additional notes, are actually added in when you're doing the auditing itself. Once you've answered a question, you'll select the comments box to add in any additional comments. For more information on how to do this, refer back to the auditing section. The second report that we have available for the auditing section is going to be our compliance score question. The compliance score question is simply going to show you the number of points that were earned, the total points that were available to be earned, and then give you your weighted score based on the different values that you've entered in when you were setting up your questions initially. The third report that we have available is just a simple question list report. The question list report is simply going to show you a list of all of the different questions that you have in your system, show you what sections they apply to, the value and priority that you've entered, and also any help text or notes that you may have added in, and the current status of the question.